Most guys obsess over their jawline, their cheekbones, their bone structure. They spend money on skincare, try every facial exercise trend on the internet, and wonder why their face still looks soft and undefined. But here is the thing nobody is talking about. The answer was never on your face. It was 4 inches below it. Training your neck changes how your entire face looks, and in this video we will be discussing how to properly train your neck muscles, the science behind your neck muscles and why it is effective. If you find value in this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly supports the channel. Also, check out our resources that can be found in the description and pinned comments. Now let's begin. Think about the last time you saw someone who just had that presence. That commanding look where they walked into a room and people noticed. Chances are, whether you realized it or not, they had a thick, developed neck. Now picture the same person with a thin, underdeveloped neck. Suddenly the jaw looks weaker. The face looks softer. The whole frame looks less impressive. Same face. Completely different impression. That one muscle group is doing more for your appearance than almost anything else you could possibly train. Now let us talk about how the neck actually works, because you need to understand this before you start training it. Your neck does 3 fundamental things. It flexes forward, which is the chin to chest motion. It extends backward, which is when you look up toward the ceiling. And it moves laterally, tilting and rotating side to side. Each of these movements involves different muscles and different parts of your neck. The sternocleidomastoid muscles, those thick ropes running from behind your ears down to your collarbone, drive forward flexion and rotation. Your extensors and upper trapezius handle that backward movement and keep your posture locked in. If you only train one direction, you end up with an imbalanced neck that looks weird and increases your injury risk. You need all 3 movement patterns to build something that looks good and actually functions. Before you touch any of this, warm up. Your neck is densely packed with small, sensitive muscles and important nerve pathways. Jumping straight into loaded movements on a cold neck is asking for a pulled muscle or worse. Spend about 2 minutes doing gentle nods, slow rotations, and easy side tilts. Just get blood flowing and the tissue ready to work. For the actual training, you are going to cover all 3 movement patterns. Start with neck curls for the front. Lie back on a bench with your shoulders on the edge and let your head hang freely. Tuck your chin down toward your chest, then lower it back under control. That is the entire movement. Start with 0 weight until the pattern feels natural. Then you can add resistance using a towel-padded plate on your forehead. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. Clean, slow, controlled every single time. Next, flip over and hit the back of your neck with extensions. Face down on the bench, head hanging off the edge. Lower your head down to get a full stretch through the back of your neck, then raise it back to a neutral position. Do not yank into hyperextension. Controlled is everything here. Same representative scheme, 3 sets of 10 to 20. A head harness makes this significantly easier and safer if you want to invest in one eventually. Finally, work on lateral flexion. Lie sideways on a bench with your head hanging just past the edge. Drop your ear toward your shoulder in a slow, controlled arc, then come back up. No twisting, no momentum, just pure lateral movement. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps on each side. Train this 1 to 2 times per week when you are starting out. Your neck can handle more volume once adapted, but give it time to recover, especially early on. Apply progressive overload the same way you would with any muscle. More reps, more weight, slower tempo over time. Here is the bottom line. You have been spending all this energy trying to change how your face looks from the outside, when the real transformation happens from training what supports it. A developed neck sharpens your jawline visually, adds presence to your entire face, and makes your head look like it actually belongs on a powerful body. Start training your neck consistently, and within a few months, people will notice something different about you. They just will not be able to figure out exactly what changed.